And the race is on, Sir. Barbaro from the outside and silent operator. Moving up is Andorra. It's now Sir Barbaro. Andorra applied the release and to number 8 silent operator. Rushing up is Fuego. Surround sound Scud missile is racing by the road. It's now Sir Barbaro Fuego. Rushing up is surround sound by the Red Scud missile alongside the silent operator Andorra. Entry number Snake in the Eagle Shadow. Rounding the far turn, Sir Barbaro from the outside. And rushing up is your brother, entry number 11, Surround Sound. Number 7, Fuego Scud Missile by the rail. And Euromax is now racing in fifth as they race the last 450. Surround Sound is now the leader of Fuego in the middle. Scud Missile, Danori inside is Euromax. Sir Barbaro is fading out and nearing the finish line. Surround Sound this time by some two-line Scud Missile. Euromax by the run, Sir Barbaro, Fuego, Andorra, and Ilocos Pride, Snake in Eagle Shadow. And finally, Surround Sound, Scud Missile, 1A, Sir Barbaro, Euromax, Fuego, Ilocos Pride. For your Fenta Pecta, then comes Snake in Eagle Shadow, bagong silang Sophia's Fury,